squishy. Hello everybody, and today is my video and I wanted to share something with you guys, and this is my toy and I named him Squishy because he is a very kind toy and I like to play with it, and I like to hold him around because he makes lights. So all we just like we like to be kind to him. And today is the video that we make. So we are gonna do this for you guys. Just for you. So now I need in your guys' intention because I will play with Squishy and we are going to upload this video for you guys, and after this we're going to play soccer. You can watch us play. Okay.
Not only that, it also builds brand recognition and familiarity for your viewers. So how do you make one? I'm going to show you the process that we recommend to do it right now, end to end. And once we're done,
And this
I'm going to share with you
is Squishy's eyes and
using any video animation to make sure that you're not going to kill your video engagement or your watch time.
You can see he looks very cute. But I like Squishy because he's kind and he does not bite with his spiky things. And I help him take away his scratch.
I'm doing bed. What?
This is Squishy. He always plays with my brother, and this is very cute. And it's nice when I squish it. Now we all shake it because we make some lights. And I hope you subscribe. Give Fishy 2 million subscribers in the end of this year. Thank you so much for watching.